In this video, we will talk about Amazon KDP and how to do the perfect keyword research for Amazon KDP to get more and more sales and royalties in this Q4. And this will be very detailed and very serious kind of tutorial, because I will not show you some generic keywords. I will show you super niche down keywords so that you are going to make sales in your first week. So make sure you watch and also subscribe. So let's start. So we will come on the Amazon website, and already I was doing some keyword research, but now I'm going to show you what you need to do. So during Q4, two things you can do: either create books on Christmas and Thanksgiving so that people are going to buy for the festival season, or the other thing you can do is you can create books for 2022, for the new year. So that because for the new year also people buy during Q4 only, because in Q4 there is Black Friday, there is sales, there are a lot of discounts and offers. So two things you can do: either you can create books for these for the festival season, or you can create the books for the new year, and I will show you both. So for creating books in for the festival season, so we are going to super niche down. So think of what people like to buy in festival. People like to buy things related to Christmas or things related to Thanksgiving, because Halloween, I don't think we can create for Halloween, because Halloween will just come in few days. It is on 31st October. So it is not wise to create designs for Halloween, because Halloween, I don't think by the time you will get approved for Halloween is going to get over. So let's create for the main Christmas season and Thanksgiving. So what people like to do, people either want to buy stuffs for themselves, or they buy gifts. So as a gift, what we can sell on Amazon KDP, we can only sell books and journals and coloring books and various kinds of only books, whether it be paperback or hardcover. We can only sell books. So we cannot think of any other product other than books. So what books can be gifts? There are a lot of books that can be a gift, but we are going to target some specific audience which is guaranteed that they are going to buy this. So there is something like swear word coloring book, but swear word coloring book is already saturated. Let me show you. Swear word coloring book, it is already saturated. It has 2000 results. It is already saturated, and it has 2000 results and two bestsellers, which means that this is high demanding keyword. Can you see how many reviews they have? 5000 reviews, 1900, almost 2000 reviews, almost 12,000 reviews, which means a lot of people are buying this and also writing reviews. And you know that only 10% people write reviews. So imagine 5,000 people has written review, then how many people have bought this? Crazy. This is crazy. So this is already saturated, somewhat saturated, because it has 2000 results, and I don't think that your book is going to rank in 2000, even until and unless you don't completely niche down into this. So what we are going to do is, now we will niche down even more and what we will write is swear, like we have already written swear word coloring book. Now see what is suggesting, like Amazon is suggesting swear word coloring book for adults, for women, for men, for parents, for midnight, for nurses, for animals. Do animals also color in coloring book? Let me know. Okay, for moms, for adults, easy, for and dark edition. People like dark edition, Batman. So these are the things which shows that these are the things which are in demand. So we are going to check out like swear word coloring book for parents and swear word coloring book for nurses. First let's check out for parents. There you go. 228 results, which means that this is not too much saturated, and there are quite few books which are ranking nicely into this. Like this is old book published in 2016. This is also old, but this one 2021, and these many reviews, and it is bestseller. So we will like see similar books, like books mainly published in 2020 or 2021, not like after that, not before that. So this book is good. Like what teachers really want to say. This is for teachers, okay? So basically there are not specifically any book for parents. You can create one because people are searching for that. Like there are some parents who are angry and they want to like color in some swear coloring books. So this book is nice. 237 reviews. Like this is a good book to target. It has been published in 2020 and it has 237 results. There are a lot of books of that kind, like Your Mother. This is motivational and inspirational word coloring book for adults. This also has been published in 2020 and it has 1600 reviews. Quite serious. So you can target such books. Like you don't need to target this one because 2017. Like you can target this one as well. September 24, 2021. Like 2 new book, 1 review. 1 review means 10 to 15 people have bought this already. So in the same way, we are going to check all these. Like see, this book is also ranking on the first page and it was published on. So this book doesn't have any reviews. Still, it is ranking on the first page, which means it has generated some kind of sales, or it has some brilliant SEO done. So this book is also ranking, which means even if you are new, you can rank into this keyword. This one as well. This also. So this is how you will do the research. Now let's check out this one. So now we are checking out the product page of this book, this particular book, which is Born to Swear, motivational book for women who swear word coloring book for adults, funny swearing pages for stress relief. So you can you can see what kinds of keywords they are using and research according to that keyword. Like you can write funny swearing pages for stress relief. If you will write this, then this book is going to appear because they are targeting such keywords. Now we will also see that what is its BSR ranking. It is 700,000, which means they are selling little, not too much, but little they are selling. So like they are not getting too much sales, but they are getting some sales. So now let's check out another one, because that is not the right keyword. Let's check out this one. Again, you have to you can figure out what keywords they're using according to their title, because in the book title they use the most relevant keyword, whoever is doing the SEO of their books. Now we will see its BSR ranking. Its BSR is 9,000, which means this is selling like insane. This is insanely selling. This book is insanely selling. A lot of books are selling in this niche. So this particular keyword, on which this title is based, this is selling like crazy, and their book is selling like crazy. So you just need to figure out that what books are selling, and you can also read the reviews, that what people like about it and what people do not like about it, and you can improve the quality of your own books and compete in this niche, because there are just 250 plus results. So now let's see swear word coloring book for nurses. Like for moms also there. Oh no. For nurses, there are 2,000 results, so we are not going to target that. For grown-ups, for teachers, yes, these all. For grown-ups, no, 10,000 for teachers. Okay, no. Oh God. Okay. Continue server teacher. No, these are saturated, little bit saturated, but it proves that these have demands. There is a demand in this market. This shows that there is demand, because see, on March 27, 2021, this coloring book was published, and it has got 3 reviews till now. They are selling quite books. And on this is also published recently, and they are ranking on the first page. This is the first page, and this book is ranking. Which means that yes, even if there is 2,000 results, you can rank, and you can if you are doing good SEO, then I will create another video on which I will show you. I will create another video, and I will show you how to do powerful SEO into the book, so that it can rank. So this is how you do the keyword research. See, latest book reviews and ranking on the first page. So this is how you do the keyword research for the books, and specifically for the coloring books. And how you are going to create these coloring books is, you can create these coloring books by yourself, or you can get the interior from some platforms, or you can hire somebody to create the coloring books. So I will talk about these stuffs in my next video. So till then, that was it.